Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Haikalat Nalgifari. I'm happy to be here and I would like to present our paper, The Role of Indonesian Students Association of International Islamic University Malaysia, PBI-IAUM as the platform of self-development for Indonesian students in IAUM in the post-pandemic era. Indonesian Students Association of International Islamic University Malaysia, PBI-IAUM, as a country-based society in IAUM, has a role to deliver the information from the university, embassy, or other PPI branch. Furthermore, their role also to improve and nurture the Indonesian students in IAUM through providing various platforms in many aspects, especially for self-development. During the pandemic, all activities has shifted to online, which made them rethink and rebuild their program to adjust with the situation. However, in the uncertain time with various online programs, they also think what they will achieve in the post-pandemic era, especially as a platform for self-development. The objective of this research is to explore the grand plan of PPI-IAUM as the platform for self-development, which will be their role in facing the post-pandemic era. Also, to observe how systematic their plans in dealing with the post-pandemic situation as the platform for self-development of Indonesian students in IAUM. To assess that objective, the theory of change by the Colebrook Center for Evidence and Implementation 2017 will be implemented to measure. The method that we use is qualitative design in this program with an in-depth interview approach to the president of PBI-IAUM and other 7 head divisions regarding their grand plan for each division in dealing the post-pandemic era, specifically as a platform for self-development of Indonesian students in IAUM. As a result, before the pandemic, PPI-IAUM were less in utilizing the usage of social media communication formally and informally, while during the pandemic, PPI-IAUM is focusing on it due to the necessary to shift most of programs and information online. At the end of the day, they plan that in the post-pandemic era, they will utilize more in the usage of social media, which will be integrated with various offline activities. PBI-IAUM has an integrated grand plan of each division to support self-development program, which they prepared in dealing with the post-pandemic era. PBI-IAUM has a systematic grand plan of each division in accordance with the proposed theory. In the conclusion, PBI-IAUM has the systematic grand plan as a platform for self-development of Indonesian students in IAUM in the post-pandemic era, based on the proposed theory which they have prepared to implement it in dealing with the post-pandemic era. Implication of this research, the finding shows that the planning in dealing with the post-pandemic era could be integrated with the current planning in the pandemic. And the suggestion for further research, since our research focus on Indonesian Students Association in Malaysia, so we hope that further research could examine or assess the change or the grand plan of business organizations in the post-pandemic era. So that's it from us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.